Welcome back to another video. Chop, chop, chop. Today we're making Korean fried chicken. Things you're gonna need: gochujang, got some fresh cauliflower cut and washed, tomato paste or ketchup, either or, whatever you like. We've got some flour, white vinegar, and we've got some syrup. Now, as you can see, I got some water boiling. I'm just gonna boil all of these for maybe about a minute or so. Let's get our marinade going. Just a little bit of flour and some water. Almost like pancake batter. For our dry mix, some flour and a little bit of cornstarch. This is optional, flour works. All right, it's been about a minute and a half. I'm gonna strain these. All right, so those right there. Now we're just gonna combine cauliflower into the wet mix. Once these are nice and coated, we're gonna toss these into the flour mixture. And just a little shake, shake, shake. Into the basket. And into the fryer. This recipe works the same with chicken also, or any protein you wanna use. Just using cauliflower. Sauce is all the same. All right, these are almost done. We're gonna make our sauce now. So, turn the stove on. You're gonna need a little bit of oil. Quarter of a cup of hot pepper paste. About a tablespoon of white vinegar. And about a third a cup of tomato paste. A little bit of ginger. And I got a little bit of salt to mine, just a pinch. A third of a cup of syrup. That's all mixed up. Our cauliflower. Look at that. Yes. Beautiful. Look at that color, man. Whew. I'm gonna add a touch more cayenne to mine because, you know, I like really, really spicy food, so. Look at that. Vegan Korean fried chicken. Let's go try it out.
Oh my God, dude, yes. Oh my God, look at that, yes.
And I'm so excited for these. Just look at the color, man. Like, just look, bro. I'm not out here trying to say it tastes like chicken. This is just my alternative. Cauliflower tastes good. That's what I like. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's get right to it, though, man. Oh, my God. These hands. Look. Oh, yes. Delicious. God, bro, the sweet and spiciness is so freaking delicious, man. That tomato paste just gives it an extra tang. My God, dude. Explosion of flavors. One of my favorite things to eat. So simple, so cheap. Cauliflower, like less than $2. If you have these ingredients on deck, easy, man. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Love, love, love this recipe. I hope it was simple enough for you guys to understand. Tell me what you think down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching. As always, catch y'all next time. Peace. Woo. Crazy, man. Ah.